Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm so grateful you took a moment out of your day to spend it with me, your guide to all things crypto and DeFi. Now, before we begin, remember, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just a dad who enjoys exploring the crypto and DeFi space. And if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this content with anyone who wants to expand their knowledge of crypto and DeFi. Also, please consider checking out our webpage, dadsdefispace.org, free educational articles on DeFi, crypto, a free course, and my community. And consider connecting with me on X, CryptoZone 1013, and Telegram Dad DeFi 1013. Enough of the introductions. Let's get to today's video. I want to talk a little bit about what should we do to prep for the bull market cycle top. You can find two sites, Crypto Market Cap, which I use all the time on my channel. I like the CoinGlass one better, but you can access a very similar thing on CoinMarketCap. It's right here, market cycle top indicators. Okay. It gives 30 different indicators, how close they are to hitting, what the current change is, and then whether they've been triggered. Keeps a hit score up at the top of whether you should buy or sell. Now, I do not base my buying and selling on this, but it's a great resource, especially the CoinGlass one. These are in my description of every video. Check out the links. Support the channel. Check out some of our affiliates too, of course. The Bitcoin index, the pi cycle top, the plural multiple. These are all ones we've talked about in the class, but indicators like the pi cycle top, the plural multiple, the rainbow price chart, ETF outflows, the MVRVZ score, the Bitcoin bubble index, 2-year moving average multiplier. See which other ones here. The HODL ratio, the Bitcoin bull run index, the terminal price, the golden ratio multiplier. All these are great indicators that whether the market is extremely overheated or extremely bearish, which are going to be your best times to sell and your best times to buy. So please start using this kind of thing. As you can see, we are at a 100% hold. Don't sell anything right now. Again, not financial advice, but as more of these indicators start to hit, I will start to sell out of many of my positions. But one of the most important things, if you're going to become a crypto and DeFi investor, is to always have a plan. And using resources like CoinGlass's bull market peak indicators can help you do that. They can make it easy because you can just go here, flip real quick, and see what it's all X's. Thank you for staying with me the entire video, and I hope you are leaving a little bit smarter about either crypto or DeFi. Like and subscribe to help support the channel. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. And if you really want to consider developing your DeFi game, check out CryptoLabsResearch Underdog Investment Group, the best DeFi private community in this space. And if you're interested in trading on a non KYC exchange, check out our link from Weeks, $30,000 of USDT, or if you're not interested, maybe Blowfin or BitUnix. The links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you and have a grateful day. Keith.